Yeah, what is going on? So this is how to change name in Paytm property tax. So the first step, you need some documents to do that. You need first the receipt of the last tax paid in the property, an attested copy of the sale transaction deed that is in your name, an OC from the housing society, duly filled application form along with your signature. The documents along with the application need to be submitted to the Commissioner of Revenue. After the documents application are submitted, they need like 15 to 30 days to reflect. Yeah, so mutation of the property, apart from the change of name in the property tax, mutation of the property is also necessary for the seamless transfer of the title of ownership to the owner. For this, the NOC of the premise may be needed. In the case of inherited property, the previous owner's original death certificate and an affidavit may also be needed. The new owner of the property is also needed in the process to make sure that all the receipts such as electricity bill, water bill, etc. are all transferred to his name apart from the property tax. Conclusion: the buyer need to transfer the property tax to their name because property tax can serve as a proof of ownership. Yeah, so also the previous owner will be liable to pay the taxes legally if the name in the property tax is not changed. There are various other receipts that the new owner should transfer in his or her name, along with the mutation of the property tax for the seamless transfer of title of ownership to the premise. And yeah, that's everything to know.